I'm going to show you how to quickly chop a sample inside Studio One using their stock VST Impact. What's good, people? It's DarkusProd. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to chop a sample inside Studio One using their stock VST Impact. It's pretty quick. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get into it.
All right, so we are inside Studio One. So first thing you want to do, I'm going to show you guys a sample we're working with today. And I can't chop a sample without a drum loop. I can't do it to a click track, so let me show you guys a drum loop here real quick. So yeah, so the beauty about Studio One is when you drag a sample in, when you open up a new project, it's going to ask you to stretch it to whatever tempo Studio One is set to. So and it's pretty bang on. It's very rare I have to hold down like the Alt key and like stretch it out or anything like that. Like I never have to do that. It's pretty rare when I do, but that's just another way of stretching a sample so that it's on time. But to chop a sample, first thing you want to do is you want to double click on the sample itself. By default, it's going to be set to 16th notes. Your quantize options right up here. You want to click on that and change it to quarter notes. Next, you want to left click on it on the audio file itself. Go into you want to go into events and then select split at grid. That's going to chop it up individually. Next, you want to hold the X key, press the X key. That's going to create a crossfade. Next, you want to left click again, go into audio, and then select, you have two options here. You can select sample one or new impact, but for today's video, we're doing new impact. So yeah, you want to select impact. That's going to push everything to the impact VST. Next, you want to hold down the shift key. Over here in the top corner, you want to select D#2. That's going to highlight all the pads. Next, you want to select 1. That's going to select your choke group to 1. That's going to make it so every time you chop a sample, that's not going to bleed into each other. It's going to cut each other off every time you select a new key, or in my instance, a keyboard or a MIDI keyboard. Next, you also want to select the follow tempo, and also too, if you want to change the pitch, you just change this pitch key here. I usually go down about 2. Yeah, that's sweet. Also too, a little weird thing that Studio One does is it keeps the chops up here. You can mute it if you want to use it later. What I do is I just left click and remove the track as a whole. But yeah, we're going to chop this up real quick. Yeah, Studio One made it so you don't have to go out and buy Serato samples or download Monument or any other third-party VSTs. You can just use the ones that come stock with Studio One.
All right, that's it. Thanks again. I really appreciate it. Once again, my name is DarkusProd. If you found this video helpful at all, go ahead and leave a comment down below on what you want to see next. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 1,000, and we're going to be posting a lot more content. Thanks again. Really appreciate it. Peace.